Guys, tomorrow we have the most and amazing Icchapoorti Hanuman Sadhana Diwali special session. So please remember that tomorrow there is a two parts. We are launching Icchapoorti Hanuman Sadhana final session in this particular format. So, and then afterwards, there is a launch of the self-esteem also tomorrow at 9 o'clock. So tomorrow, 7 o'clock is this course is starting Icchapoorti Hanuman Sadhana. This is the last batch of the Icchapoorti Hanuman Sadhana in this format. So I want each and every one of you to join the tomorrow's webinar in any cost. This is from my bottom of my heart. In the past, you attend or you not attend. Please remember that one. Don't miss this particular in any cost. This is going to be the live transforming session tomorrow for 2 hours. Block your calendar tomorrow, guys, for the 2 hours. Thursday special, Diwali special, last Icchapoorti Hanuman Sadhana webinar in this format. So please don't miss it up. Take this opportunity and create your transformation. God bless you all. Have a nice and fantastic day. Jai Sri Hanuman, Jai Bajrang.